A delegation from Greater Lafayette Commerce met with Indiana's lobbyists in Washington, D.C. today. The group is in Washington for a 3-day meeting with area legislators. Jeff Smith has the story from the Capitol.
Indiana's lobbyist in Washington, Debbie Holt, told the Lafayette group the debate over health care reform is taking precedence on Capitol Hill at the expense of other issues.
Health reform is all things. That's all we've been doing. That's what we've been spending a huge amount of time on. It is going to cost Indiana a bundle if they pass this health care reform.
Indiana is lobbying against the current health care reform proposal. Holt says it would add 500,000 Indiana residents to entitlement programs at a cost of $3 billion over 10 years. Instead, she says, the state should be concentrating on job creation. One of those job creators in Lafayette is Tate & Lyle. The company's director of community and government relations, Chris Olson, asked Holt about the state's position on greenhouse gas regulation. Olson says the company invests millions of dollars in the Lafayette plants, but questions EPA involvement.
Opening the door for the Environmental Protection Agency to, basically regulate some improvements.
Yes.
You feel the delegation is sensitized to that as well, because that would certainly potentially have a lot more impact than what the legislation, working with the legislation could.
Some members of the delegation split from the main group to meet with lawmakers' staff about specific issues. Wabash River Enhancement Corporation Director Stan Lambert met with Senator Lugar's program coordinator to update Lugar on plans for riverfront development.
You bring all these people to the table at the same time rather than just sending an isolated email. You're getting all the community leaders in the office at the same time so that the senator or his staff can get a more comprehensive view or understanding of the project.
Lafayette Mayor Tony Roswarski also met with Lugar's staff, as well as subcommittees and the Federal Transit Administration.
We really got an opportunity with some of the people, I think, that really do the work, really put the pieces of the puzzle together and explain some of our projects, explain our collaborations, and how we've been able to leverage some of that in our community, and I think we've got a good response.
On Thursday, the Greater Lafayette Commerce Delegation meets with Congressman Steve Booyer and Senators Richard Lugar and Evan Bayh. In Washington, Jeff Smith, News Channel 18.